Gaano kahalaga ang kantang ito sa iyong karera? Especially now when you look back. Hey, It's Me.
Very significant and very important because it became my national anthem. I cannot do a show without singing it.
Tama.
Yes, because people are waiting for it.
Oo.
And people are expecting me to sing this. And it really made me Jamie Rivera. And I'm glad that a lot of newcomers are also singing it, reviving it, like si Bea Binene, Juris, and Tom Rodriguez. So lahat yan, ni-revive nila yung Hey It's Me. So it's nice because when you
course.
hear people singing your songs that you wrote specially, para nakakataba ng puso.
At na-achieve mo yung pangarap mo. Nung narinig mo si Kuna merong ganon,
Yes.
you got